Hey guys, I'm showing you this SUREWIN vegetable chopper slicer dicer. So this is a multifunctional mandolin slicer pro and onion chopper, dicer, food chopper, vegetable cutter, and includes a bonus handheld spiralizer. So I will show that this thing to you, and the container have a 5 blades. So you can see this comes in a nice box, and all these cutters are inside this box. This is a different case as well. So here, so you can see like this is for the onion chopper thing, and then once you open there are the additional parts here. So these cutters are for the slices, and no, on the corner you can see the different functions of these parts. So basically there is a 2 dicer blades, 2 shred blade, 1 slicer blade, hand guard, cleaning claw, storage container, and a spiralizer. So this is the spiralizer that you can use. And now the thing is to change these blades. So you can see like when you take this cover out, you can put the other cover, or you can just lock this from here. And for taking out this thing, you have to do this unlock button, put the next one, and then lock it. So all these different slicer, onion slicer or things, it's a great slicer for salad and things.